Which is better for cooking, water gas or propane? If you're a home cook, outdoor chef, or just love a good kitchen debate, this showdown is for you. Today, we're comparing two popular fuel sources, water gas and propane, to see which one wins for cooking efficiency, cost, and safety. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about water gas, a fuel you might not hear about every day. Water gas is made from steam and carbon-rich fuels like coal. It contains hydrogen, carbon monoxide, and methane, which makes it highly combustible. Historically, water gas was used before natural gas became widespread. While it's efficient, water gas is not as commonly used today for household cooking. Now, let's talk about propane, one of the most widely used cooking fuels today. Propane is a byproduct of natural gas processing and petroleum refining. It's stored as a liquid in pressurized tanks and burns as a clean, high-heat gas, used in everything from home stoves to outdoor grills and camping cooktops. Propane is portable, making it the top choice for outdoor cooking and grilling. So, which fuel is better for cooking? Let's compare heat performance. Water gas burns at a moderate temperature, but its combustion efficiency can vary. Propane burns hotter and more consistently, making it better for high-heat cooking. If you need quick, high-heat cooking, propane wins. But if you have a specialized setup, water gas may still be an option. Which fuel is more budget-friendly and easier to access? Water gas is rarely used today, making it less accessible and more costly to set up. Propane is available in gas stations, hardware stores, and delivered to homes. Very convenient. For everyday use, propane is the clear winner when it comes to affordability and accessibility. Both fuels come with safety considerations. Water gas contains carbon monoxide, making it potentially dangerous in poorly ventilated spaces. Propane requires proper tank storage, but burns cleaner with lower emissions. Always ensure proper ventilation and follow safety guidelines when using any gas fuel. So, after comparing heat output, cost, and safety, which fuel comes out on top? For everyday home cooking, propane wins for efficiency and availability. For specialized industrial or historical use, water gas has its place, but isn't practical for most modern kitchens. If you need portable, high-heat cooking, propane is your best bet. There you have it, the ultimate showdown between water gas and propane. Propane is the best choice for most kitchens and outdoor cooking. Water gas has historical significance, but isn't widely used today. What's your preferred cooking fuel? Drop a comment below. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more cooking and tech insights. And check the description for recommended propane stoves and fuel-saving tips.